yes sure sa ko viral sa abrante bi wa brochi Kevin minim amere se ma push ama wa abrante bi wa brochi na o kasa dia fa waste baller ho sensem ho se de baller edi enya wo ha na ekoso flooding e wo ye memu hanom no ukopie mu wa brochi a ehwo de eso wo mfaso pa because almost recycle no turning into other things more musica a generative sika de momo. But I wonder how ye memu hadie as a key chese enyo bola no kuye nankasa Kevin minim chakirema me say abana fi yakuye nim. And I would want you to listen to in some of the two womb. Oh yeah, young kasa be brain fam fa. But me person who say your leaders now more indeed omo boy. Your leaders now your war more ye my man. Indeed, womu two and more say they are thinking outside their comfort zone. They are making decisions like a be nipa binumo hin enye nipa binumo de. But a decision said dem fast will be break mem for your mind. Because you can't tell me say you were learned characters where you mem ha. The emeritus, the professors, the doctors, they be worse masters by times the in all fields, sanitation be engineering and Kwame a whole lot. But here is the case, we are not able to try things and see the results of what we are trying to see. Say, when the results, now results, and so we must find ourselves in that. It's very, very worrying. It's very worrying. See, Okopio baby, woman said that need resources, baby. But they are finding ways and means to live. They are finding ways and means to survive. And they are again finding ways and means to make their country attractive for foreigners and investors to come over there. To come over there and invest in that country. But over here, we have lots of resources. But let's ask this simple question. What are we doing to get the interest of these investors to come and invest in our country for us? What are we doing? What at all are we doing? And then the idea one bros idea one wusa. The certificate na akwa no yen to me and try near ma hudu yen to me for politics and to change na ye engage thinking minds to work for us. For once, can't we engage right thinking minds belonging to the NPP or the NDC? Say, you are so useful. We can find a lot of potentials in you. We can find a lot of good in you. You can help build this country. We are putting politics aside. We are engaging your mind. We want you to help us solve problems. Can't we do that as a country? So when we travel, don't we learn? Don't we learn? Classroom now you got to the Yesiano inti enye papa. Is that what you are telling us? When we sit in the classrooms and get ourselves this big certificates, no? Are we saying say they are not useful? So nimfaso. And until you get this certificate and the bar na apet dani title wayenso, but yen to me fans of issue asana. Let's listen to this video and come. Africans, you better fast swap. You better me. Ghana and Benny for Mr. Medium, but you're more ready. We shall around.
put a musha around it. So every day I mean landfill, baby, I to ball egu. America and America's every. And so toy kakre musha epo ball pa sumakogubo a pronoso. Sani ma wen nyina ne flood ni nyina ba ni nyina keka esi ball antia a ye tugu badi am we am ye adwuma landfill igina me truck so me di line so am be yi niema no nti me gina me truck so nti hwe area ha nyina eye mipomu badi o mo hwa amena da no e no mu create saade we saade we mu create e generate sika kase pa kroma bola ye one of a juma waste manager one of a juma o mu generate sika pa o mu trucks e no mu cars o mu use nyina e use gas sa gas no bola na no mu di generate me truck ya ma loadi social trailer baako. Yeah.
So you see, if you listen to video no cassette baby amna dano. It's a sabola yide kohonum a honum na yede akwa gum ne recycle no ne turn no into other things a disika bebre o mine no na ebema o mine na nya sika dia boti memufo ho bra dia bo mine ankasa ho bra. But here in our country, but we don't go beyond. Say, oh, okay, we in fact, you know, bola no near Mrano, a sumran faso. You see, this morning, Radia Somano, Timem Pese, we call the hard way, sir. But please, Mommy, who said, where can before. You're taking decisions. And Anopa Imebo Kwame Plus Abaso. I've been following him a lot. And I'm more too. And Faswa they bread the constituency. But it'll be better na baby. The oye no Obeka say na she. Because I know all yentino. Obeka say na she. Instead so obe support no crowd then empire bobe tanechi. Ebe na she. Because A plus knows how to do it best than him. And yami wan wase obi say political party bi kura ebire bi baba mbe sori atia no ne abre na se mi wa nipa no so anabo awotu no emfaso ewo so ede bre oman no we need to be sharp, we need to be smart. Your smartness now you see yes smart no, it shouldn't be smart say ya digi edin keke, but it should be smart say ya di ya dia mana ba mfaso, because there so ba mfaso we are na ebenya recognition. That's what we need to do. Kevin, you're very on to the base for so and Rao Makasai or Michio say they will bring Canada Japan to the base no about the Lidiomo. Minimum on video na ready Babra. Nanka, Yanti and some more Modituja or Aya Hodem. The base for is more bro. More bro. Yay. Now Kennedy everybody or yet to everybody. Also everybody. Kennedy so everybody. Eh? Na party ba ko pa motivate ba ko mo akwa mo kokota are you ready yentie ne amra onye ne mu firi mu etu okaya to etu obi ada drum do bia no na so wo party mu na so party member bi ekuo kase bi ti se base ese ye to wo member bi na ye se be boa masa member na ba be president a so ye amayoku a wadru mu to a Obabon Samama, some member now, or a go forward a tossy a man. And it's also yes, our party, and that's all you want to say. Obey some member no, Edia. Yet the basic for say. So, almost me in a dear. You have got some. That's how much money, Nadia. You have from Mamuna. No more you know my as well. The bed tell my say. Because Kennedy no. Yes, we will go on. Yea, your mamma near money. Your person will be bedding here. Your cotsino force.
and you will go and maybe beba base the baba for channel. That's right. And that's a woman can fear and that's wrong. That's right. I said, you know, that's right. I say, yeah, didn't bother the year, and you know, Ghana. Yeah, dear bro, I dear no, only Canadian and you brave Brena. Wait, I Ghana vessel, and your party be a vessel. Miss A, dear man, Ghana, and your party be a vessel. Then you bring. What I say, you can't say. If in 1992. Ghana mama send your base here no. I told the Biana part
we the base for more Casano our more there the new patriotic party to sack Kennedy or Hine Japan and I almost wish maybe who say it is their wish they are strategic because if you listen to the video over and over which means they are strategic to sack na and then the Kennedy to the bufu no they are joining the base no it is very strategic. They know what they are doing. It is MPP for some pecking the number sakina. The base no air catch so more penal. Don't also forget, say these people no they belong to the NPP no matter mohua almost sisajina ye. And so if you sack Kennedy or if Kennedy chooses to leave NPP, he will go with Nipa Bakumi Nubia almost ye influential NPP party mo. Be mindful. The last time they came be smart and know how to deal with party folks. There are people who are key figures and ma divide and rule tactics now and yawo de and so when said ye be no more a penal that be nyasa. Don't be an attention seeking leader. No, don't do that. Be a leader who pay unity, who pay ubia say ye bebania kabum. Then we do the work and do it well. If you really want to give the NDC tough time, and to the extent say mobile winning 2028 election, you need everybody. You need everybody on board. You need all minds on board. And you see, the amount and has to do with when you have diverse opinion, when you have people challenging the status quo. Because when they challenge, they pushes you to also think and reflect on the decisions you've made, the policies you are bringing on board. To even explain it better to them. If indeed what you are presenting is solid, it helps so that they can really join. Now, the base for Obo Bia Dako, and so Kasaye, or administrator of Ghana Medical Trust Fund, Wakasa Oze National House of Chiefs, M4 strategic partnership. Sebe between driver community education, now creating widespread public awareness about health interventions. Say no why really are Calvin. My yenti no kakrana fi yamra. Anopa to channel so. Made Dr. Keskin be share video ma. Masada na media time introduction. Because no so popular so we said in here introduction be ati me buy bit here no. Calvin video na ready. Obo bia Dako Opoku administrator the ma Ghana Medical Trust Fund name some of the tuja. Is it there? Okay. Say any ready I beto so. Anopa you be kwa maso near din komo. Dr. Beniza Ashley or a financial consultant as we begin komo. Barbara, if doctor is ready, bring him on the line, raise him on the line. Na yenin komo. Dr. Beniza Ashley na fi yenin komo kakra. Na no pa yen komo no centered on 24-hour economy ne kwan be faso atumi create jobs e de amati memofo ne Ghana for na enyuma eni omemu hanom no yatumi anya saa enyuma no ebi na mabunu no nso atumi anya ejuma ye enya ejuma ye anka ni South Africa for ye pampam ye ayeku ye hu nipa bi bebribe saa no because ye ne ya bibi mu South Africa ye neighboring ayi partners we mo na womo TTNC but it is because ejuma ni it is because policy say dey be go akwan mu na fi nioma akoso na mfa so watumi aba na create employment no yenhu say ye adwuma. So the reason Nana Kwame Owusu Kontabisa, the general manager, the branch manager, Sompa TV, Sompa FM, Ade Akye. Say Kwame Agyarko.
Yeah, no.
Na bom ti say.
Nyame adome ho ye pa.
Bibia you find there.
Nyame adome.
Ya da twedi ampa Yakobon. As if you so boko there.
Nyame adome ho ye pa.
Ya da twedi ampa Yakobon.
Me pa cho na nso ho ye de.
Ha adom krakra ye mu.
Efie ye boko.
Nyame adom. Efie nso da din.
Ne do gba de ase.
Obeni Open Mami ti wano pai.
Medase na yenche atiefo. Yamo bia happy holiday. Na yamo bia happy Republic Day. In fact, ene eye eda yedi isi o edi ya fofida na anka 1st July. Demo mi nyina ye nim se de ye gazette se holiday bia kosi weekdays a 92 eye ebenada ukwada ya wada mu a ye de beba ifiada se be ye benya long weekends cause Ghana fo bebre na attitude no se holiday ni ukwada na umom ko ukwada ya wada ni fiada ni bebre na ma adwuma back, and it is very worrying and troubling. And in the wisdom of the current government aban otisui ene se enen so yenye holiday enti bebre etitifie, but ye de we are always on field. You are always on field. Tiene ya wahasa utifie no ya bema wo hu de ekoso ewo Ghana hanyina se ene de enti a obana nko school no say today is Republic Day na ke o see the 1st of July, but ene tedi ana in fact statutory holiday when you commensurating one be where statutory holiday yedi and so honum ti ene yama nyina ye ho happy Republic na yankanche ho say as a mind our sovereignty is prime, is priority as well to us. Na o mind emredru said ye forefathers dey won kwato ho. Okay. Say ye bedi ye ho. Ye be shemu.
Obeni mame kwa homa sumra sisi ya we na fi ye ntoa so me ko na meni Dr. Ashley Ebenezer, our financial consultant. Eni nkobo kakra wa homa so Dr. Mache. Dr. Abum ti saying. Okay, yeah, da radio say. Aropai Sompa TV ni atie for yani so obra wanyade amayen na ye ba be din komo. Ma yen hase ni nko pie mu sei 24-hour economy was NDC4 womo policy ne womo agenda na ekuta mu nti womo ba no mo bohu da rusa. And I know say you've gotten time to read through policy no mo de ba no. I reflected on a lot of things necessary ACT. Through your reflection, your understanding, your observation, 24-hour economy, no, when tears ye wo ho, e dien.
Yeah, but I sense the medical man, I'm for any more at one action. And I pray, and I'm going to answer the Afiba kwata Ghana and Finchia do doanya and found this strong Republic and no the 24-hour economy Timon 4 and some two abani artistry swabano and Oban Hoba etan eshabo esan tre nyama hodwa ogidi say Timon 4 man kwanya wetini another betini di ewu akwa musena bia punto ni kanko beba kama monati mfonso kuma haro na bako any 24-hour economy na nyenenim nokwe nsema amanyoko NDCL John Dramani Mahama di enim mampeni sisi di tumtwa wo me ana yebetu abano sisi ishisenu atra apejan hom so sin senior de bono kono na ye bono to na ni shishani na any said the home and say a better say Benya the Juma, the Benya, Numa Hodra and Yefidima Nemum, a bois ama yen she share ye at the mind. Stay, Yema Ecraft Monino, as the Shino, a bit to me edging a mine more amai, 24-hour economy, and she share. So could be I just say bit may be for the Juma or Ghana, a funny in a prince in Yuma and Yen for the Juma Nemum, a big woman, a dick and Yama a craft raman on me, a sobetin. Say a Juma I say Sikasan, which is there son. The Juma and also any Sikasan Yamapumudi, as it can go for Ewa one day, no bit media con never, I should say. Yes, she said because in the and she said, and she said, and on the extra, with the Juma, I say, Nima would go at the tone and in answer account. And our friends in near my way, I'm a homeless in the sense. And she said, a walk or abandoned, and then the bar I want with one for claim for the Jumano, when Emma Queen and my being for the Juma for from. I feel some for the Juma, what did I know? Abana and she share obetimi aso imokuaku do na afianse na beya don hwe dodo modi adwuma no ombetumi atre ho se dwumoku do hona se sika ho ndinti owo dwumafo mu adwuma free anapa kopim nonum na omapon a nhihye ehye adwuma wura no nkwan na beya ombetumi edi adwuma no nhihye baako ana menu aka ho awodamu no mu. Internet say Jumakuno Benya and Crawford on the Jumafra and the Pacopin no almost better as a friend no Macopi coping bears and Nado and our friends are Nado Copman and Martin Bears and no one else in Indonesia. And she say Jumakubu or saying for the Juma and then for the Jumano, but she say, don't show go no and 9 in Yano, the Jumidi because 24 hours. And nothing a 24-hour economy. And it's very been my pawn on a bin so a good machine be a never to do at Mamma for here. I bet the one I craft yaman on the end of get me goose and shut the home. And she a 24-hour economy.
Okay.
A Jumadia, a favorite Juma, any member who draw and yet if it is Juma Nemum a bois. Amani Dikai, Niama I craft raman on Yenu, a subeshan, Netosu, a Babua Ama, and Yama Bo Jumno, a bit mentina Faku, a check, and answer Subeti, Netosu means a Bama Sikana one dinner pigan homineso. And the Cassin Sidana, the Sikana one dinner pigan homineso, Mrs. A city to go at Baman on the Sika to say. America dollar no and I say English abroad pound. Yama moko no pound na number 4 as a pound and as a pound sterling. SAS city do beji sa declare no a ratio more and then it's a do number form. I said a do number form net as a usika na fan into mapa efra. Okay. Inti no and cover by and I friends in the shadi who teach you Ade Akye no. Na sika no ahwonde no ejina no. Na sika yenye fra manone edi ba ye fotom so na nso e man so. Okay. Friends ni swadi honi se fie na no be ko na wie no. Se hinkan ankwankwe a obotumi afadwumedi so anya adwuma ya ansum kra no enye ene nipa dodo no opepem ba ko na chepo enso. It is targeted 1.7 million jobs for individuals in the country at least. And Nema Jumedi Sonko Kakazin Ubisa some Mopaza Dudonati Na Essence in the Jumedi no Ensheda and Lady and Kofuga Hunti Aquasa CB Diasum and answer crack son she said na intimate the mono de mama yahu idea essence say kaneno nimukwa hu do aban de no tuhwe no denkata managing community the Dumpem so be about no better made the Sikapudu ash the Media who do him. Nemum and said the woman say about Beshe and Quanquated before Protocol from individual investors and private investors. Or Beshaw Monday, no more Ade Akye what you may do. I say, women many Ashofonia and a tier for a bed depending say, Jumokubi and Quanquadia. Unquankwan said, let me feel me, I said, you didn't because in a safata. I say, a cabo, a bama, on one querno, and a waboka. Nemum say, a banjuma, Ayana, Tumbiana, ye, I see, and more, Unquanquabia, support. I see. Dr. Mammy, we didn't say me chawano. Just like we didn't show me a a be reduce importation, a bounce sana, a be increase your exportation. Two, your healthcare and any day benya impact was so a bema agro business and so adorso, a be strengthen your city, a be creative jobs and as for. Always see your economy no need your womb, especially over your energy sector. Over ensure then ask for which 24-hour economy would demand a lot from this side now. Are you ready to accept 24-hour economy? A bit to me. Why are they Mr. Chama? Why are they and say a multina answer say the peninde two and the man also best money mano. Now say what they can and she share will be better than the mano container there or one number two no on the harem number a component or two in Tibia. And she Ubonyama me so I hear me depend in Nama wanting and I think we are promoting and no bra we science pay would say Jumedi who go on my Muslim and Bayer Timofo Combe Harum. I sit baker now since in the Papugo I gave a child lesson or Mampa Banisam Bina, a manone, according to who Quenya I visa a dear crew of my mono, a back of them. Before one Chumuka answer over or Mampini. Of Bani Becca and Tiago Cote d'Ivoire, no, not Cote d'Ivoire to and pay some the Puquaman. I'll say, Nichana Macomo, a cabeshe. And say, Ghana, say, cabeshena, Timofo could go on that as soon as I say, boom, pretty Maquaman on Subatia. No, say, she said, I but not a buying a day. They will be say, bar. And Crawford educated a bit my age, until I was in the Sunday division. The back in a Mawandia, if you do a Germano, then Namawandi, the blow I yan no mamu. I bet me, I'm not Kanya so if you any Jumukwa who do moon free and kind, coping Paga, nay, in Miluna ransom. As a 2016, the nation required 2,700 megawatts of electricity. And now, Manoka say, you want wanting to draw in Pim 9, a handum, a go watch back home. Okay. The demand at peak period is 4,581 megawatts. And Namenta, say, only many a tape for an ashore, the tree agent quick with a transfer. There's a doom, Yenya, Minamawandi who. Or how cacao man and my doom so by. Now, a sweat for no share in the Mawandi t-shirts, or being folk of Nadonko. Say, yet to me, no one didn't do a bedu in Timidua. As I saw your how I not now, but the Nado go out, say, the tray a shame of the memoir to me as some hops. In desire, that the Onya in field do no. A honor year soon welcome. And Emma was in the son, a Dibisano, Yamin Charge, Sir, Ninama wanting to do in Pim 9, a handum, a drawing back on a yan or my mono. No quavo do any of my Nankasa, Ninama wanting a yano, a broso. And he, yea, a man, a cradle, a ma, na hondi afam.
Okay.
I think so. Near Tosun, no, it said ye dear hondi and let me a young share who say, Timophobic na Buama, ye think to me and count corner, that's not for sending as in Crawfordia Conyaba, and that's a boy drum there, or now the day here, said the Pomodin, you should more cacano to natural amount, and no soon tinner. Mampeni apa jumedian tuma free primary health care no no this is ya pomudi isi no tinofo tuwa na mo anya ndem betia husika na ne ati enso ne se pomudi isi edikan ni swadi hu ne se Ghana ebefri intervention yesa yare to be back, you show a medium, it's mutual amount. And she said, free primary health care is intended to transition Ghana.
Doc Mbasho Bichioba.
Was in a DB Sapa, as a bed, you gave a court send a Safatano, and a buyer to in the strawberry up to an amount, and she said. Nshishaba and also bring every and can coping paga. She say unam cry, this is in a new casay, said a chauffeur for a tone, and who say Casabra, so no more gauge with Diana, would you say, would you know, Uti and Papa, would you not see a bora, a draw, a year, Yano, or man, iron and keep for a year. Healthcare post, and I say, a detour and no extra thing. Accommodate a say polyclinic.
Yes,
and I think we have any chips compound. And also, over a whole baby, your monobeans, a banner, a bombardier, container, and I say kiosk, and on over more to say, your uncle fires and next our motive share accommoding everything with you a cotton effort. Okay, about Senator and no polyclinic health center and I think the healthcare post any chips compound near Mabubo Diana, Gisano, and I say Uipia, Pukra, Emma, and Nobecho. Okay. Now, Yana said, would be watching today, I am today, friend Ghana card. Ebe kona adi adanse se omano ehweti memuni ne be na pomudi bisi kama yempuntu ni nkanko no akosanya ese efata.
Okay. Doctor mami samisa we dey fache me pese ya tiefo di achi 24-hour economy say ya kase ebetumi adim ebetumi agina pa na. What do you suggest to say? I was a abano ewe na or implement here no since we are financial consultant also economists and so kakra abo bill mo no e dey any dey no di gu akwan mu a e betumi aba ma 24-hour economy abamu ye na esonso abamfa so dey amatimemfo
yo me da say em say in study who ni say o mo ni be she enkwankwa bedifo enkwan na omotumi di omonwa hyedwumade mu a ne je say enkwankwa bedifo no so betwe say mfaso ben na benya free aban anamuntu anase abijeri ehu enti enu ni na ebebo fatem na atumi ahye jedifo ni enkwan na oman ne nisbadi a efa aban ya tuni so abe edigugu akwan mu na bekwase ne sefata enu enti menu ka say in katasem a fa bibi ho no eyade a akuma hye bifi na hye bifi efo komu ha ya nam tifo no adoso ditumu ahwemu agi enie enti bibi a eyemra enu no da aban bi abetumi aba eba also di biguma na kishan so trese aban bia no can be for a pandemic, Omandia, no, John Cleaning, a Massan Shishay. Okay, and you know, Nana Iron Shishay, Emma, before him estes no kunya sunku a omontia eto ahodo bi say ye ka say because for more ko nenso di omonfa omadun ko so say ombeka san share abanku for biaba odin share ba ba ko bisem no nya de ba blo enti nya de ni duty afinso bi ko bisem a se bi na kwa amanu sam kakra enti oni amanu ko na fa na akwadi jo we ni yema ewo homo bia ni ekyenye se ni ejumoku a ojumadie no ehia se obenna no ndade edia ye beji sonku ana se odi bedane nyabai a ye dia no mamu ha na otunya ye diani fufo na dia akojuma nya ndade odi de aye manufacturing equipment ni traffic manone amba untia to dia maba no ishishayi mbaya no opese bi wojuma no kra fidie frama no ne ba ebedu distribution na bia na hoso tiatu tunko antoyi ishishayi se uma aban asoti se we ni jehu efete bekoso na udu wojuma se ukrania mafre amano ne ba na eno fidie ni beboa majumedi akosora untia Ethiopia also yes the new import and manufacturing equipment. I think so we do no say na mahodi a enya no mamu no won ko be bama peja ne homene so na won no o fa kunya science to say na mahodi a enya fa ewiem a solar energy no the Ukraine ma odi be kita adwuma yewo amamu no so ntia to bia e wo I think so say the Kenya maybe manoni oni the home say unya fidi wa ha kuko ni edi ayedi amana bua anasa unya nyama hoda yake kambum kai fen raw materials na uwa fidi a obetini edi ayedi senede a bibona yakra manoni abanu subestan ya no so ukrafi amanoni ba that to bia so enti free import duty for raw materials.
Okay.
I think so doing things that when content any naked on a shame access there, I yes in a bear because of I have logistics infrastructure. And you should care from an only aba, just for beer and was so a ma abai. Nature, and yes, obey ye ability to and so be Yamaya by known church on say. Ejumedi biano ebedu afili anase mfili no anase kikakone no so unya adensidie echese ni kwa hudrosi eno mudi omu ahye jumedi ni mo anase ni kwa hudrosi afa jumedi so ama oman na fa ne tuma pa efra na nyese no eye mtatendia enti se uma bano eti sanhihye ube krania mayaba ontia to bia afin so say we okuani we mean say afibia no yebo edu openima busum no say fia de dikan openima busum kwa afibia mo no fi afia pima hanko do twi no no betem na afibia no yebo okuafo abaso ante Jonia Twenty to a my affair, my uncle, the watching me insanity, and she say, Eba, who that's so much the demand between them. And then say, Jumana Okoso, Jumadi say, we were peony, not Udo, Yama to say, a brew, maybe to say, a more, and I feel so free, and I say in two. Anase Jenny, Anase Nyadwa, Apunto to me, dear, Wapunkache, Anase, Kachi and Kasa. I would be a Sade, Anase, dear Bayer, Anase Banchi, Anase Koko, among kind, we will be or more to say, Nancy, a bridge, any native one, and I feel so, put me dear. I should be the bro, and my name at the city or my one. A idea untia to beer and ma aban. And let's say, a careful a warm for 10% or no. And said, who said they still careful no more.
no so to me dem ho agim doctor on this now we can see na me gina so bisa question. It means say aban better tax na asefo bi eso e de ma enyumakuo bi. The atosu mienu nso it means that aban the sikanso be share enema huduo mu se be ya ebetumi agina. Now let's look at it this way. Sika ye be generate na fe ye de akọ support 24-hour economy and also be free aban ho no atumi ya no. Sa sika na ye tete so and also entumi emmasa. So me bisa say, do we have that sikano ne ohwe economy no nso a at this time to implement this policy say a bit to me a bear fruit?
You made that tour this ama maybe you was on a bank tour every super network ticket when you tour free. Yes. And idea that will be a man say and from
a honum sano sikabi and free honum ma buying chain. I know about and the cost me knows say a buy would have to pump in a lot of money to and near my back you know so you know the strengthen and I'm busy me who say Amanda took a cana, Yankee, dog with an intemperate government. I'm a brother.
Amanda said Singapore, and Singapore, Malaysia, Omani Ghana, and your family, and Meba, Ghana, woman, I won't come on to and now I know Casa Singapore, what the draw not to say, Ghana, for the draw, I feel in my hand conduit. Na Nama, Singapore population is 6 million, and only Ghana, you did go out in my uncle in 1960. Menuka says Singapore, a member almost says, Nama, Nankupon, Edadu Mono, only the mobile or handsome would be spoon, a share, Tinum, 1 PM, or Munchaka. Menuka says, or more, I'm not dear or more. I can't bet or handsome would be 30%. Nentu menu kase omoju disika afi omoju do was the beginning now. Na omoju disika no ebu Ghana dey in premier no anase nsa. Afi so ye yata for na nyina nku ebi o musika omoju reserve e wants to Singapore ka ho Ghana enu be bia. Enti ne tele so upese nchi no etu efa ntu mapafra you a 2 watch and a movie say no otima would do. Nobody did do Singapore, Malaysia, which you are and met Ghana, and then yes, a fanano, only a quoting a walk and local call me. Almost Ghana, a bit from normal, that so as the animal. And he's she say, any idea. A man yes, a careful from you, and yes, a careful cocoa, a say, if I talk a cabasso, a fancy, careful food trauma. This is a room compensation, I say, Mugaho draw, I don't know why and young you see the baby a chumina, the China in German, which number your home in the send a day of cinema, and that day, this is a cabbage, and which my dear cost for a affable. Maybe there is a opposite Nancy. Oh, yeah, who paying to what Nancy, the name of the I think could be their own number of the week.
Sure.
One check on me at the book, maybe no more going on, no man yet the to make a pound. Which is saying out the way of Brahma, Padana, Oyano, or Nancy, or Nancy, or Minia, Bani, and then a man. Oye Obaka 1 year to 1 check and 1 man you know Monat one or Modati and Yaka.
I see.
And a Tobia and no Obano.
Okay.
Moment a idea in the day of Chinano, the bit again now. So, my in children, they tell me now, I feel sure money panel. Diania, you do a man, a more hand to a blue anyway, craft yaman on 53% of food consumption in Ghana is imported. They are the
53%.
Yes,
of Diania Yedi, Yakra.
I say, Mr. The only thing in Sweden, Gianni art in Piano, and the fire, the young, the Gomo, or Bayamo, to be quite the Aquaman Aquatan.
I see.
It is also food self-sufficient. Kwame never has to aspect of their forming coin, then a day on the drama, the Mr. The Wounded Room. As they say, a Janet to Bona, maybe a man, say, a man, I wish to share back. Yes, it can so that I think never go focus on a idea about many idea
Doctor, I said, no, I could see that you have a lot to say, a lot to explain. But yeah, Sompa Studios na yedi ehia mo one on one afi yedi di nkomo o ho na nka ye ni nkomo nche ho ne hu da obetumi aba
and say go to my main camera na afo we bad pa no bank we go to China ma okay, we young na with my check na sure yeah keep the mission there
sure
asantima ni ma never na drink from asantima ni monsieur
doctor
I just want to take one more information say woman teaching you for us to copy say the other side a banana about and that's what my after the different of the woman in mano and sarcoma no more in person a day only a much my friend and then you are only you say this moment the Bible I put you on the phone not to be a phone
Marty, thank you very much, Doctor, and I'll pay you for your time and explanations.
You may say that.
Financial consultant, Dr. Ashley Ebenezer. Now, to say you don't know coding Komoa, Homano Sono, Papa, we know quite say even off air, when any ding coma, to me, say, not dream of Bob Bill on Cassan, you be our some catcher because unim the oka. So, thank you very much, Doctor. Hodom. Said the American HU Muno, Enche, Mene Doctor Keskin Owusu Poku. Otuanamo no person ba be Ashanti Regional Communications Director. Na Doctor won said here introduction gidi bia because me encounter me nya last year with video mo na me hu say wow, this man can do the job. And when me dig about him, and I'm sure Charlie, there's no need to do long introduction. He's ready for the job. Obetumi aboyima no baba be di atenase ewo fidie mo ha ye ba be di nkomo and then join here tell a friend said Dr. Keskin Owusu Poku aba be di atenase a mene no ye ba be di nkomo ewo fidie mo ha. Dr. Mpacho umia bi no so na so green amame ha. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho abomi de.
Na do shadi ache.
Say de bia na
ajiba de doso.
What ya fake if do we say?
Da ajiba de doso. Na makopie no adubi ase na. Enye interview kwa Kwame Agyarko
Oh, okay.
So I said to 2 maybe do that about 2:30 something a.m.
I see.
Yeah, but now once I can say everybody knows about more than ever. And the Jumana Dawson.
Sure.
Now say more personal communication officer. We know for Greater Kumasi and Pempi no one you focus on Greater Kumasi and Kwan. But seriously, constituencies be braina outside Greater Kumasi, about 36 of them. Okay. And you guys obey Jumana is a touch base on every corner. And to talk about friend maybe I'm in Namno. But now, but twice that sure. Tina say and can't say beba. Tibinia, we are by Ebasumye.
Matthias, thank you very much. Wow, na invitation and okay, you need a baby come so. I mean, if you so boko.
If you boko, you may need John Mahama, the president, and I say, why the Ghana former Bnushamo. Nambi Tione Doctor and Common or see 53% of Yanema Yitino, Yakra. To me, I buy a car sell be a year 24-hour economy. I thought say they had a plan for an aggressive industrialization. Okay. Next, Nemana produce na be brena say no. I thought Senka I buy be try somebody be back home just to preserve it. What you say? Na my share ni mo one thing I buy no SGS so be and a chance and obey was that the trade minister could declare parliament so much one to one factory that project no. So I thought Senka come replacement beba. But in replacing that, the most of them 24-hour markets. Maybe beside NDC penny be said markets not best somewhere no. Never know would be going to be free here for now. Because I know 50 cities. And
meanwhile, no, so agribusiness no so see by any so no. You will need these factories.
Exactly. Because we produce here many years and Ben was also and over the ages we've been talking about a year. Post-harvest losses. Yes. What I say? And how to prevent that no industries and a beboa. Sure. And the 24-hour markets, maybe send this penny say nyama na mo de be gu hono no. Mo de be fail those markets. They be free for na aba no. No, original what I'm saying be free China na aba. Cause na be na be free China na aba.
Nyama na de 24.
Oh yeah, say omo de market, yes, see markets no. Sure. Nyama na de be fail markets no. Okay. Because imports and be fail markets no. Sure. And then more 50 cities, you 35 cities back China. Because Nemani na be bring cry if you are neighbor. It's all about now focus on my say we industrialization. Also and many now preserving a year some of the food items I can't want me. Now Nema kitty boy producing or have but rather no we be see market jaw carry my beguma. Baby I will 24-hour economy name a Ghana and China. Okay. So this is basic economics. Okay. Trade ministers were and finance ministers were.
I love in your earlier submission who you so brought for me. Say now if you so make you so aggressive
industrialization. Yeah.
Till the moment what's our boss who say one district, one factory, and also a few one. So it got me
exactly
a bigger understanding of the word you use. Say indeed, yeah. There's no aggressive approach.
There be and a honor opportunity was we create jobs not promising me. No kai 133 1 job 3 people 3 shifts. Yes. Away. La misi lady now shares our campaign as you know. So a presidential staffer. But no juma no call from anopa 9 no upon 5 and kwenye 133.
Omode banti.
Me say no kwenye 133 yen second year. It's a babu na would the say and nuntia. And I caught up about John Dramani Mahama. Among says for
is it not too early so call you out to say as of when you're
I buy no 4 years. And then if I'm right, we are in about the 19th month. I buy no 48 months so 19th month no won't too early. More so no John Dramani Mahama, the president, is the luckiest president ever. Why be that? Why president that was shed away to whom mistakes or yasaba. So the luxury of A too early no mean who baby is see. I buy a true manifesto, young manifesto no, you buy started implementing after 1 year. Okay. In NDC's manifesto, they even had 100 days promise. Name on person within first 100 days. Okay. Name on person within the first 6 months. So where is this? I am telling
you. Both parties need to be because my manifesto no more ba ya mo interest bia this policy no e be sha say date we e be take here a months we near the awie enti and as a 24-hour economy no so yen say dan hu ye o come so na say it's too early to ask these questions.
Obi omomoka say it's too early. I think there is an act of mediocrity. Abraham and Ado promised in a flagship project, which was one FSHS. Yes. The first year, I implemented you.
Okay.
Even here MPP from Ukraine and paying for the believe say a too early. With my names. The former finance minister Kanoforata, Eka say ya maybe Muntieska. My papa Kwame Agyarko. Eka say would there be a too early entry kakra. But we implemented it in September 2017.
Yes.
It says you are minded self pesad and we what dream who you na pesa we ya. Nothing is going to stop you. More so no. Osha but one has been 4 years. So you cannot hold the people to ransom. And as one to me say timemufoni mumuna omo pray omo because one can say ne anawachna. So they can ask of it right from the first day.
Hasty implementation of 20 I can say free SHS and Suntina amayenya ehon how baby ba people are calling for review ana. Yeah, I thought that any question kamo nya break akradima policy be so sensitive. No more implemented to say free SHS any 24-hour economy I won't say abroad.
The question is me as a policy person, policy it goes through cycles.
Yes.
There is no policy achieving 100% success.
Yeah.
That is why after policy implementation goes through an evaluation, now feedback now gets it back into the policy loop. What I say, in terms of free SHS by numbers no cost so the double track by. Yeah, the next phase was the phasing out policy. By even about MPP also know most of the schools are not double track. Later, you need a grade fee a year double track so because near CC a year schools need bread those friends institutions so that is how policies do work. But ekobase ya kanisa tra and there are no timelines into we to abama wono ana ya udi so no yetimi musa ho asema nessa no so no akwakwa bibia entwa yi at the end of the day babu na you promise 133 say ka say we adwuma ba ko we dey enya afi ne ba be create enyuma no already there's a structure 133 no that is the easiest thing to have been done.
Okay,
say teachers want na person recruit to your friends say 2 times ka ho a what you say easy say ka be arrange we shift no kai some agent finish John Mahama the clock see ho already sustainable jobs from 6 to 2 o'clock, from 2 to 8, from
8 to...
So it was so simple to be done.
Okay.
It's almost like a
so the question is, if it was so simple for them, then time and no position, other than the IMD.
That it means that it was just a rhetoric like Oman Huye, and this also exposes them. Our budget for 2026. The entire scale of the shell for 24-hour economy was about 110 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
To find a $10 cedis, that comes to about $11 million. Gushitamo committee so be here $4 billion. It means says car a buying John Mahama etna sidin diemuno about 24-hour economy no. The new chapter was sort of less than 0.03%. That tells you so he wasn't serious about it. It was just a rhetoric. And a Ghana mebumu omreda da omunte nyemo wase ene upie kwa bontia mebun bebre ubisa the biggest issue ejuma.
Doctor, you've just proven the point that indeed you are ready for that communication field, you know.
But that's
you've just proven it right now. Oh yes. Yes. Watch beyond a year. I say you are ready and you can. The atifo ne delegate. They should choose right.
But that's
Yes. 21st clinic doctor, a sciatica expert, or a yeme mohadoma or her. One more twasi yadie be say wonam yawu ntumi nante wo sisi wo nan Mr. Yadie pa mfa na hogoro so sa won say you titriti ana fa na sa agura Mr. tutumi ka be pimo 21st clinic omo expert in sciatica o Kumasi and overseas junction or be Alpha Radio Sompa FM abro san yi your top or down Obuase Council Quarters Court Junction Accra Dome Market Sunyani Obutu ho Nkranza Tichima ho from 0249311311 and 0540311311 na woni omo eni nkomo RSY Novigi Studios make am for their mouth. Mr. we a filmmaker, we a photographer, we a creative director. Now we are professional film studio for podcasting and now we set up for special effector. Mr. RSY Novigi Studios na make am for their mouth. Kra Malama Biase of First Kokroko Street. And I'll be who friend was 057-471-5778 and now 0303-9748-22 Tago Heba mixture and make come for their mouth. bema de ni kwan se o ma o bema ne si ni trase e bia ma ni nyina ne nan so ma ni kire ni memma sem ni memma yo e wo empamu because eno ni wutumi as bema after all the hard works anije ni nyina wie mo wo hodom the reason Kofi Kinata ze anije kase nyina wa asasi su nyina yen shatade enye and it is very true. So it drew on us when you perform our go when you must say, oh, low libido or ma, what's the miniature tinka, bema was a miniature tinka, oh, yari, infections and so. Fre tago about mixture and penny for ne. When you're Mundian come over 0243228296 0243228296 Roman father drew no abba father Martin's about mixture and the Roman father drew ye abba numbness, stroke, body pains, weakness, pressure, diabetes, all chronic diseases, Mr. For any chimo na yemwa na nyasa enrui na emo na into yade na semfam now from 0247919122 0247919122 OCP Ghana Limited. We kuyani investment pa kesi pa. It is a no buy no to me so doso abenya sika se doso Kevin so when dey make sure no because you need there usika beba gisa aya tosodie no aso no buy no gisa aso bebre sana no watumi aton no dodo na no enya sika and the OCP fertilizer dey fertilizer papa party abadi abria for wo farming seasons ahodo nyina na afi watumi use serious na vegetables use OCP 15 and say OCP 10 and for legumes nso de OCP TSP chemical shop bia obenya OCP what kind OCP or say fertilizer pa OCP Africa committed to our continent. Mene Dr. Keskin Usupogunedia Shiamodin Komoi of Vi to become the communications director of the NPP. Communication the new be to me communication. And obi to me akasa. But no interest who to me kasa and tina is obi to me no. It takes great minds to occupy that position. Now what to me deliver am I so abam faso at the ama party ma time before ne Ghana for now. We are back. Doctor, observations kakra we be some few minutes here we are not here about try on common so about abai and she in Jumadia OD. How far are you satisfied? Percentage over mom say.
That's a difficult one. But my main chair ahophobium. So by them common name identity. No, I say jump remu. Na main chair the next president of Ghana, Dr. Mamadou Bawumia. Say the ahead of the 2024 elections. Never be on my can one semana Ghana for brain and this we see intro. Sure. But later it's proven to be true. The first of one of such a year, Abura Bawumia say Ghana card. If we do a Ghana in the took Ghana from 44,000 airports. Unya passports. Say intro. Okay. But now Yara Kuku, NI boss. The end of the bond for him, but we need a quite fast to buy. My boy share good purchase program. I say now almost say a chrono near be Ghana good. A can't say me bri, and that is what is anchoring the whole economy of Ghana. About me, our vision no Ghana for be who's why you move edo. Now I believe strongly say the ideas must be complemented by effective implementation. Because campaigns are yebeshebo. But what makes a government distinct? A man down so say it's me implementing policies. That's one person within the MP what distinction who in that Dr. Matupuku Prempe. May we are describing Napo in anywhere. What I see Napo doing here, he's an effective implementer. He's a doer. Or more Juma now we are now. Which now cause is where we and you can Napo was in Bia Manajuma. Okay. Nobody obey education minister for 4 years. None of the unions were education minister call strike within 4 years. Are you sure? In the history, yes, in the history of Ghana, been see that, and that is the legacy of Dr. Matupoku Prempe. The closest he got to was UTAG 4 years on the call strike, and he was able to stop that because that UTAG for some more pay increment or more salary. That or more 13th month friends say allowance. I mean, one no, postpone strike no. The following year budget, he took care of that. And Dr. Matopoku Pempa, I believe he's going to be the next vice president of Ghana. And he's a doer. So there will be a Yamin Kaneho, Machia Asanteman Kuka, chairman of Benon Kwakwapia. He's going to be the next Ashanti regional chairman. And the Jumedia Wedi na Hofama party for Hina Bibian Zesai, almost a move chairman away decisive. Chairman or from chairman on Nipantem Eye, and that is Odeno Kwakwapia. Now, Mase Minyanum. In the 21st century, Senator Ade Akye Abia, communications is the lifeblood of politics. It is a communication and kuyi now a chairman, we a secretary organizer, we a youth organizer, and we saw that in 2024. Year elections, you send the communication and the way I affect you. Munya Keskin, say 2 months you say Moyamadum, Nayamesu Madumoa. A year Mesum Party in Ashanti region as the communications officer. Now, and near my Gidisan Queen, Yatnet, no, my party, no, Ejumedi, and so on. Now, back to your question. Say, Mary Tia Bine say, for now, May as Babuni Day, I think the Ma Bine 3/10, my very charitable. And my reasons,
Bine 3/10,
no, my very charitable. Which are my man 3/10. Now, my reasons to have a man 3/10, no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to confirm from obviously under Napo teacher union will be on cost strike.
Yeah.
You know. September 2019, the National Association of Graduate Teachers and Coalition of Concerned Teachers embarked on an indefinite nationwide strike over unpaid salaries, arrears, and delayed promotion. December 2019, the major teacher unions declared another nationwide strike over the government's failure to remaining legacy arrears from 2012 to 2016. So they were also strikes. October 2019, the Technical University Teachers Association of Ghana (TUTAG) and Technical University Administrators Association of Ghana embarked on a strike demanding to be migrated onto the public university pay structure. I might think there might be
but I need to check the facts again because from what I know, any engagement with teacher unions, no problem. I need to check the facts again. Sure. Definitely. Once you are referring to that now, I must make the humble admission. Sure. Now the point I'm making is the Juma or within education ministry in there. Ubia himself. And the teachers will so long as almost Yafinapu, and it's been there. Now me can say abino markings, no mema abino 3/10, and with that I've been charitable, and I can give you reasons here mema abino 3/10. I gave you the first one, which had to do with job creation. When you say every year biano mebunu youth or me joining the labor market near about a bit over 100,000 or more universities ebano. It is saying now abino ain't been creating any decent jobs no. The question we been able to say almost any panel there no be on the already unemployed no abani by one of the major things or any say mebu bia no wage madada o yomedi some mebu nsu eguonom dada when you say a year teachers abani promise automatic posting they are yet to see it happen within the last free abani ba be pem no teachers were recruit meaning now say I say how you reduce you can say be recruit to 8,000 and you can go through.
Yes.
Last year 2025 can some be recruit 50,000, 55,000, 50,000. Omanye. Look at the health sector. Necessary abani promise automatic posting. Akwa kwesi saying. Abani so baby recruitment as it is a candos you continue recruitment because at to force a man financial clearance.
Yes.
So it tells you say abani is not recruiting. Ti abani ain't recruiting no. Nipa na fahin. Now saying we says security services on the recruitment out of a year almost 5,000 and on the summer recruiting one top firms was normally over 500,000 even when the president came to say I'm increasing it to about 12,000 so it tells you the government is not recruiting. So if the government is not recruiting maybe no pay Juma no fine for the other side of this when they say the government is also stifling the private sector. Private sector now ko no be juma be now ko fan ko for juma aba won't be fabi nso no abai taxes and call for mu okay with the substantive taxes and call into onto the private sector and call for okay say dollar aba from but good for $1 ye juma kese ko mu su $80 na aba from mfa so a onyan e de hin they make what I say. Yes. So these are the critical questions to show generally what abai no ye ebe manipa bra bo matumpo na you are not seeing it. Okay. It's a we can say in the pa. You but to my pa. What you say?
Get them.
bank economy no say na sika economy no ekoso sika sema gina esa nka abotom so gina tell abotom nyina e
that's true.
It tells you say the numbers, we can massage the numbers, but the actual economics,
The reality.
no, the reality might be different. Yes, so and inflation here 3.something%. Nana say man who say last month they increased 5%. But all fruit every day, you know, they are drivers near. What you say? And it's all for car the impunity. Say 3 cities are 5 cities. No matter what so. When it happens that way, it tells you say they don't believe in figures now buying the banner.
Yes.
Eti okojoma never born ehri. Eti nipa na say if say eso no establish a certain force equilibrium.
Okay.
Next on one the bobia dey ebeto so. Too far afro. And that is what we see happening.
Because figures, you know, and your reflection.
What you say about figures with massage? Let me give you a classic example. Before say I buy inflation ever from no. Okay, or 2026 budgets no. I think paragraph 248 in the bulky one no. No, or indicate said or trees can quite 62 billion. Anything of bottom through BBFN sterilization. It's a buy edges can free banks or na. Sanka scanner banks way business no. I buy edges can no change interest on other could them.
Yes.
That's sterilization. It's a bit of say and figure start form because car any bottom out of the inflation by form.
Sure.
But the hotel and these are some of the things we saw happening. Until within the books in the figures still looking nice. Because near IMF MRK. But to bank of Fobotomuni, a Jumamu, and this Kasemu, the life of the person identity.
Yes.
And these are the critical issues are no Bruno say Obi or Jumanu Mumu to say the bottom identity and where we need Jumanu's way. And these are the problems we are facing. These are the problems. It's in the last 19 months, Abba is not really recruiting, so more unemployment is created. And I mean, say, Mim say, when Juma press, I've been on the to me. Better than Macassa Abino Abon Homoding.
Yes.
What do I say? Now let's look at recent issues on flood hereby. You name him how John Dramani Mahama politicized it. In so to say another by a Mamukra by any weapons in Sukranto. It's so to so the year politics are there nanado M1 homoding. What you say? And I'm went to me and dealing with flood issues no.
Yes.
Forgetting say and they did a very wicked propaganda. Almost say Gary project 350 million nanado made discarding in Cecilia da Pa first canon. No question say even the implementing agencies Ministry of Sanitation say the Prime Minister na encounter be. I have the documents I can push it to you. That's a push man so ehubia. World Bank now. World Bank case were releases come also these statements be. World Bank approve scammer on my to communicate no they mean say they've released it. What they when they say they've released the money, what they mean they say after the approval the money is I say yes setting scanner aside for country use.
Okay.
So to them it has been released.
Yes.
However, after Nambabu go through a process of disbursement. Okay. That is why World Bank project we are no more consultants to consult and the Juma why no not based on the certificates no or more go through process yeah disburse amount. A Joshua World Bank now report implementation reporter or says car what disburse from 350 million or the Ghana no 127 million.
Okay.
This John Mahama a buyer no scared that Hong Kong $218 million. I you see according to World Bank.
Into World Bank seek an MPP abayan usually.
Oh, you see, they say 127 million.
Okay.
Even 127 million, okay, about $10 million. And this are buying a UCA in, I think, 2025, February 2nd. And this are buying a UCA. And doctors are pushing Namawa. It's a movie. Namusado be Sicilia that Pamela be MPP. Nay, I have dreams. Tell me, they say World Bank Baker say, Finance Ministry, no. Or more to delay the disbursement of 280 million. When free money at World Bank they may you. And another ban that's so what I say. I'm in Cholet.
Was it not because now World Bank is seeking for accountability for the earlier money release to our mind here now?
World Bank projects. They are missing. Scabby and bill release you go through the process. To be an accountability because you.
Okay.
It will be a while consulting a Jumaka Krebia in Sadiwi. It's World Bank Kesika de on Famakwa. Or they might do an accountability in Koso. What do you say? It's a free MPP freeze by him. World Bank report be just MPP. I buy you see be in a wrong way. It's whatever you do, consultant, only a consultant that's now office. only consultant in the processing now kwakusi. So let me tell this for propaganda. We like they are being what just say and BBC hamepa country papa biamuno Katuyenchem say nipa is stranded the bimute and chance dan so e bimu hwe crank to aye yi o free nsuo mu your helicopters you intend deploy helicopters no to salvage and rescue the people on my stranded nsuo but the president will confirm so question nsuo but say you be that say the helicopters na nsuo you say that nsuo you say that
and the question will be that how fit is our helicopters na we do say kura the
Dabi o anya ne dodo nu o wo baako o mienu na we deploy to assist the people
okay
o just say because me kai kra na do to I think about 3 for the military and 2 for the police o just say whatever say one pa me a president the best thing to do and say am pa me ko fuma pa kohwe but omo na say rescue omo no me kwa ko fly afa enso so no it's not far better than some me release helicopter no near the akwa yi nipa na omoka roofs ne so no
but to me dear we blame no dear me bema fiti mpenifo fiti ya matena so akwa ba entimi va mo ba ko for we to me atu na mo bi anka flood we no kan enkosoro sei because we hu bi da bi kura flood da no
when we di
a horror flood
when we di statement a year opinion na oye maybe Accra minister a year headquartered better one say or say omba bia yi nkofo fuye o sa sa no mo from odinya no mo defredo and o moving nkofo from ekwan mu I ma flat some call from no say if I go na sa ba ho
and me ready yi ba ku bia is it tall or anase himfa ipie kura mo warn ba bia no mo sidan say enye hoye nsuo but omo amfi e no mo course wa esiye
but my senate documents ni na ama
me go through that year who said okay, are you ready for this position?
I'm ready. I'm physically spiritually and mentally ready for this job.
Physically,
spiritually and mentally ready because you need to have a presence. I say how to do the job. I say why dream so edo to do the job and so making sure say we nyame so bo ho ban na me Pentecost ni ma bo ho mpaye ma ho akom kire say nyame mo amena djumadi amekwa kodi no enkoyi say enye adwuma se me ya ka nyame am hu dadada atwatwe me ho but me di ho koma kwa kire and woni eye wo ya de na de no say nyame nsa ewu mu a you realize say on struggle to do it
okay
and sincerely we so na keskin I've been doing this thing since 2007. More communications, more active, more bemu MPP communications or region, bemu ejamin, more 5. Oh, okay. You can talk of Isel Mills, Oluman. You can talk of Fred Ade. You can talk of Dennis Kwakwa. You can talk of Moro Kabori. I know your longest serving secretary, and maybe Victor Sepuku. Okay.
Okay.
What does it? So I've been part of grooming most of the young guys. Talk of Nkwampa, talk of Neji, you know, talk of Bedisi Kweku, talk of Jimmy.
Yes.
You know, it's sometimes when you move, the guys you build, they become the generals tomorrow.
Okay.
There's nowhere any of these guys, Ejina, me, Bekwa campaigner, me struggle.
Mami misa house venture out saying tia baby house question
because
I know very well say there idinya wa boy Nana Jimmy Nana Ken Nkwampa. The truth of the matter is say agenda guys can you
say agenda guys there must be an agenda king and you know and sometimes
agenda guys so how are you like relating with them? I bet me am boa because no question is agenda guys.
I mean answer the voice.
Also who said
I mean answer the voice.
Me modi.
So I mean answer the voice.
Jimmy say.
So I mean answer the voice. But no crime say on say only the partner na only let na you. Now if you are truthful, when they know you for who you are, and say me all more on my own can quite Okay. What I say, and many say talk of Nana Ken, talk of a year Abu Bada, talk of a year Omina, my boys thing.
Yes.
Many ombudsman we open up on issues.
Okay.
Meet my say we mean to me.
Okay.
We usually say we drink who say, and I consult a lot.
Okay.
But many person may dear, actually, what do you think about this? Because I believe say 2 good hairs are better than one,
and that's what I love.
2 good hairs are better than one, and I've done this over the period. It's your room say Ade we see na Keskin signature or one or mu ya no mu.
Okay.
The signature here mu ya no mu so the Keskin ho hwe. And we've been doing this for a very long time. And that sort of brotherliness, no, mutual respect, no, is what carries you now through. So managing them and bibia say me a bossy, me no. Okay. About sitting down and having reasonable discussions. And they are very reasonable guys. They are very intelligent guys. It is when they carry your vision. They carry it on and they make it work.
And I know these guys say they are some too many na say and twice more strongly they will ask you questions and strongly they will deny, strongly they will give you reasons why or more deny. Because these are strong guys.
And that's the kind of thing a leader be here. On say there's something we call the 80-20 rule. Within the room, no, there should be while colleagues be out trust you.
Okay.
As I'm kind of natural because there are going to be people who are going to be sycophants. I'm going to be say no amount of fans, but they are way par rooms are the so you need to have the likes of Kwame Agyarko who will tell you the truth in the face. Provide them who will tell you the truth in the face. But
leaders in the all kind of creation no as for time, you know.
Maybe it's slightly different because more training me no talk of Honorable Maxwell Kofi Juma, Dr. Inshan Sari or Denoko Kwapia, talk of all those people. No, they like people who tell them the truth. Okay, they will tell you the truth in the face. They do not all kind of credit, but they will tell you the truth in the face because say me Yava said Chaman Honam. Na adibisi na adeno 110 film at the morning 110 no continue on chair. It means I'm failing. Okay. What I say. So Anna personally, I cherish leaders. I want to better say, do this. What I say. And that is what Obi to say, Dr. Napo and others. That's what they like. JFK. Tell them the truth. You cannot chrono chief issue A, B, C. Also, no, that this is true.
And these people, this kind of leaders, and so unism
that is the whole idea
because what kind of correction or did too much no higher corrections
and I'm saying also I can
yes
because me different way in American correction so you know say I'm not saying it out of malice what I say and they admire that kind of thing but politics they do maybe na circumstances can cancel home nipa no ya de anya kwane manifest you know but
they give you throw the chill.
You know, but only Utako di and Trocho beats Dr. Napo, who didn't try to wafin Pakoda. I casket now issue way. I could say, I catch on casking team. I just want to know the truth. It's the acting same penny for Biwa. But penny for me so much more dead do. This all couldn't trust romance from movie. And me personally dealing with such a penny for Nana Eddie Mammy. But me no talk of guys here about Modina. No, or no, they are very upfront. And they know I'm up front. Okay. It's just 7 years to cry. I can't say
this. Say now message to delegate and I say almost a general FA. The entire music question is as a unity instead of name of party no more, sir. Yes, sir. You know what is happening. Yeah.
Just one example. So now there
example. Primary the base for non uniform. Oh, rather it didn't escape me. And I think so you know of Kennedy, you know of Alan the Mobacas were 3 more than that in Asefo. But we have a minimum so they are peeved.
Maybe in politics, at every point, even Abayo was in this, there are people on more peeved. No when say sometimes the way you manage these people is important. Okay. What I say. Okay. And I also believe say Drew Baby are managing our expectations and so here. Sure. What I say. Sure. So for instance, me only Gabi, Minimum Gabi da. Na first one NDI Aravanto spokesperson. Okay. Ushia Jemfima. Omuna they go like Charlie. At the top we are coming back. Okay. Because me antagonize Omuda from the other side. Okay. I keep telling Uko say Ukatemanyo enya papa krada hwana udidi for. Hwana dobi an betoso. Yes. You try get my only she. Yes. Charlie come home. and the Gabi a party communicator. What you say? These are some of the things. Somebody takes leadership to reach out to the other side. These are people that we not issue crime money free party. And then issue be how obi when he be issue be the one chance be. What you say? So me as a person, I believe say reaching out to such people no critical. However, discipline is also important. Okay. Because in any human organization, what do you mean that so be a bed or pay because it doesn't work that way. Sure. What I say, where it matters, no, I believe first in dialogue, say twa there may be disciplinary measures be beating me at so. But uniting the party now in opposition, I believe it's easier than when we were in power. Because every kind of crash come the uniting them. I come to our countryman's way day. Oh, there's no countryman's way day. And in power, Nana Ubia kakra. As we are better say me am a boss, but I believe say empanyin fonto kwano ye mabuni die cha yin susu nyesa anto kwano nko because empanyin for mu yom kwatante dem di nkoma the resolve their differences na ya kachiri what I say nti message me anu nyina wa obufu ya ukoye it's not too late.
Ade na wo egu akwemu ade ba best strengthen party communication no our Ashanti region. Yeah,
the first thing a woman say if you don't plan then you plan to fail.
Yeah, okay.
What I've seen over the period, no, and it's a MPP no communication ad hoc, and then why now movie.
Okay.
But if you plan the communications, that is where you tend to control the agenda. Okay. To say if you don't control the agenda, that's definitely you'll be a pawn in somebody's game because you cannot set the agenda, not the questions or the documents, the topics. So you need that to make sure say it works for you. You have to plan. Sure. When you plan, that's where the bit about training of communicators because we are a communicator, not we opposition. You have to do persuasive communication. Sure. What I say, you know, trasa, me ban my you say a casking card or kasa pa zone with the So you need to have a constituency you are speaking to, appealing to. Every day, I make exam say me ba, there pa na me pese, me free hand ma mo kai me with. And I told myself, I must speak to the youth. Said your mama failure. Okay. And that was my first submission. Okay. Tima obian tie crown with what no. Timi tomba se church no timenya time bim crown but church me wi. What I say? So anytime you're going to do communication, you must go with an agenda in your pocket. And that agenda must be very much coordinated. And that should come from the communication directorate. What I say? That thing you training of communicators I can once them no. And me no say your communication is here. We need to restructure it. We have to. Well, me to be out to feel now who say afro be say on me communicate my party no. To say now we have no be MPP communicator. It nipa no be kan de obeka wia. I don't know kan de emfa mo agenda ho emfa kwam. Ye be ne MPP communicators ko omunim kasa. What that is asem ni.
Omunim de omoka.
Omunim de omoka. Because omoka na coordinated. MPP ni o to MPP no to pa omendisi na bone pa. MPP for kwa ze kwa do kokro mo nkahwe. Nipa na obabetan onim agenda edinam. Okay. So we should find a way of coordinating your relationship between the party as an entity and your media friends and media stakeholders, radio and TV hosts and producers no on the other side. What I say? So that at least there can be we hear the part. And they say Agyarko firm say Keskin, me be manema. That shouldn't be a problem. About over 40 communicators. How? Why? Radio stations on your morning programs are Ashanti region, Greater Kumasi, only 23.
Okay.
So why am I money 40 and more? No me ya obi manen kwat now. What I say? It comes back to the way I manage that space now. And the other things are me say your has to do with more strategies no one man means me can TV so. But what in summarizing that no, we are going to pursue a locally relevant discussion. What I say? An agenda be polemic issue say ye be determined topics no and not just be participants in a discussion. Yes. Because the Ashanti region BBC ahead of 2024 elections unje promise interchanges be brave. Yentimi anye emubia. So amedia shas ye enwi. It is a Ashanti region not topics are NDC for engineers and discuss. No mun so mo ye nim so mo boy but no say no mo why. Say there MPP akwa complete interchanges Accra, Obichi Belamte interchange, they interchange. It's a discussion of Ashanti region indirectly. What were we telling the people of Ashanti region?
Okay.
But some areas say a quite so free as so train after more of fair fijase after more see a chair a child to work to see in Suta command before so young can was him.
I see.
So they directed the topics they said discussing.
I see.
So we need to do locally relevant discussions. Empire so I'm interchanging. But nipa na ono te ni odubiase no so I'm interchanging dey na be yama no. Then ayi onu odubiase. No be tini odubiase na discuss obi te belam te interchange. And I think say these are things that we need to rethink.
Obi te so am here discuss here no na kwa discuss be before.
What you say? So we need to do discussions locally relevant.
Wow.
Nipa na mo immediate impact of politics on them. And that is where the whole development discussions start from. Wow. It is a bit and yeah discussions fa wako baby say West School. Na me mo aduane miensa say so mate so mo baako. What do you say?
Yes.
Abai no promise you automatic posting. So mo mpa allowance, say allowance ko mo ntua. And automatic posting so my. At the whole moon let me can interchange what's it.
Okay.
Because immediately what affects the person. And we need to make sure that these are coordinated. And there's one cardinal sinner akosu over the period. Yaba bemwa yenya appointments you see when party na MPP aba bemu Dr. Keske maji appointment me call na Kaboy aji appointment to call Jimmy aji appointment to call. The question is who takes over?
Okay.
It's in there so party communication week.
Okay.
Because we don't groom people.
Okay.
But the strategy originally has been said from TESCON, any your wings now work within the various constituencies. No, you're starting like creating a communications team 5555. You be really started picking the very good ones among them. Near CV or more, at the back the communications team.
Okay.
Now starting more entry routes. It's a very bad and penny for the free mono. About because it's a new free mono, if about no free mono. Now say you take over the down.
Yes.
Sabeno, many about say share. Who difference?
Okay.
Many brother than fish no difference.
No difference.
Even brother than fish a senior.
Yes.
They say you introduce me to panels.
Okay.
Have discussions back and forth. No, we say panel we are not intimidated.
Sure. And yes, our coaching. No.
Exactly.
I see.
But they say it do baby yes and ya too and we need to go back to that grooming adina na here no. Because if assuming say me kwa cry am appointment me ko on any day. Nanaje can step in and do anything.
Yes.
Jimmy can step in and do anything.
Ken
Abubakar can step in and do Ken Minta can step in and do anything.
Can step
What in. Because they've already been exposed.
Sure.
Almost a person and almost
sure.
It's almost so full. We need to start picking the good talents.
I see.
I say in
build your more.
That is the point. It's a bit by corner pushing. You gap there down.
Sure.
And that's something I believe I can do easily because even when minya opportunity, when you talk to the likes of Naneje, Jimmy, Kwampa, they will tell you how I impacted their communications to this date.
Yes, true. And communications, true communications, so buying your ma oh yeah, a sweat, so Timmy to me at it. So the engine of whatever a buying piano
communication.
Yes.
Now that reminds me.
Yes.
Now Semu and our regional minister can ask him, he say MPP and Ashanti region. Talking about agenda setting in a crisis communication.
Yes.
Now me communications director, all right? But now me aspirations MP. As part of the agenda setting, young Kota Bonti Anyi do. So I need to show you CIBB.
Okay.
I called the Neji later. Eric Asunade became the media centers, but for them we moved out. And they say Asante Mine Ghana near man and another Danko Akufo Abanye.
Okay.
And people so hey
because your communication no loose.
What I say that is agenda setting.
Okay.
Now, they say this in better baby MPP and Ashanti region because the videos are there. You are seeing it.
Man communicate man for assume
ahead of the elections.
Okay.
No credit sending why that's the truth. And in politics, it do stage we are communicate said they can confront. So we spoke about these things. Only say and receiving it instead of receiving it now. No.
Okay.
So there's an opportunity to also make people know say I'm paying A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay.
And sincerely, I started this anime to Abontain The feedbacks were, wow, this is what you guys needed to do. There's a muyeni. In the likes of Ma Pat, Ranapo, Konesadoma Kumensa, Vincent Kwasifwa, Emomo Ebemu Beboy in your movements, and we appreciate them for that. What it tells you, if you have a good plan, not a workable, and penny for Bemu Ababe Soasne Amwaye. So communications in there, we start with a plan, and then you make sure that the plan is executed like reading the Bible.
I see. You make sure the plan is executed
just like reading the Bible. Yeah.
Wow. Talk to Ghanaians. And okay, when Ghana phoning come up, only MPP phoning come up, only delegates phoning come up. You basic for mention.
Ghana for a better massive. No credit say you got to about 2024 and cause an MPP for Nisi Pedono. But John Mama so by you ne reset no be reset the Akwechi. We have an opportunity in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in 2028 to make right what we made wrong yesterday. In Tiakwakoto Ababi Muyakwe Nimuno, in Cranshaw Honum there is hope, and the hope is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nama say party for ina say minianimu bi beko a constituency elections. Mess say Omokoto aba polling station for electoral for say Yentu Abanama and Kofwa or party in Hodo. Yin so meet my Jumaden ma party no or dona ne wumuno asa bebio. Na yenso ayeko region no edu onma o my adom ya yenyi say there's a certain dynamics within the society now. Mebunu na beto aba in 2028 no approximately about 72%. So there's that sort of need to make sure say omo amuyi omo no can also associate with these people. What I say MS or wudin common akwa say father son relationship, you need empenning for no so, but you also need the youthful people to also lead the church. Communication about Mebunajuma to a very large extent. But yes, we Babun the Kintian family. That's why Mebuna Wajimudo, Ubuade, Uninipa, and Temaye, now Kasanso, Ehonte. I've demonstrated all these things over the last 18 or 19 years. And Mijidi said, Jumedia Modeshemensa for all these years, no. Masumi, Namamisa Kunya, Mitimaya, my party, no, or Donani Wumuno, and Yank Canana, a Wafomono, and so as a pija. Yabeko Swasum. At the end of the day, your focus is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. By the end of 2028 elections, now we're the next president of Ghana, and I believe say Jumaden Yame, and so a kind of one, Obeton Supergu so ama Yaniswa Dihuno Abem. Yamin Shayna.
I see. Dr. Mesamba Robert, Mammy Fab birthdays and film Nafi, Missy for Mammy birthdays, Nafi, Yankoya Nim, in your birthdays, Bakum, Nafi, see. So happy birthday. Wow. To Blessing Afia Foster, 21st Clinic, I hear Kumasi. Blessing, you are looking beautiful, gorgeous. Wow. Say you watch all we wish for the mouth and the wish for a net at the mouth and say Yamibama and Kwa. Wadi womb and kwa sika womb and kwa anijie e womb. Dr. Blessed Foster Enya and see you at the Terra One Media Sompa FM 21st Clinic, a whole lot in Yano. So live well and enjoy your day. Candles nina will be doing Ninano Nina aniji and I was at the bro. So happy birthday to you, Blessing Afia Foster. And happy birthday also goes to you, Ya Baby Nicer. Ya Baby Nicer. Yeah, it's your day. And as beautiful as you are, may the rest of your days, the rest of your years on this as I see you, so be as beautiful as you are. Now smile no so a shakon and mono so nyamemano enkoswa enkawanim ne noso. Have a very, very, very wonderful birthday. I mean, sure, why no one can nothing anymore and show. Happy birthday, special birthday to Adjoa Pokia Papa B, a teacher at Eagle International School, Ntonso, from Rahel can come at Ntonso, until we free Rahel can come ho, or say a Pokia Papa B, and there were Wodanti Yame, nhyira wo no onye wo kese na oma wakoma so ade a ne obebo so mpaye bia no nyame ma no embrem otutu wana monsiye no onyi wo mfiri obanefo no and some happy birthday to you Ajuapokia. And happy birthday to Mr. Evans Obeng from your wife Mrs. Jacqueline Obeng and Pedita Kunadu Obeng. I'm say so papa. For the rest of our life and for the rest of our life, they will continue to pray, they will continue to be there for you, they will continue to make sure say I need you be a was a shower come and they will crash so mano mode abamano mobile and so live well. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Jaden Safo Prempe of Emmanuel Presby Model School, Asante Mampong. From your parents and your family members, they are all saying this morning, say they love you so much, and they will go all length and breadth to make sure, say, the Yankopon do be duasasi so was say, no, bem, and they will again make sure, say, you will be a testimony to the whole world. Now, Wabusu Yanso Anya was so fast. So, Jaden, happy birthday, live well, Doctor. The auditor to Nafi Yensi form.
Oh, Madam Asim, and I must also commend you for the good job you've been doing. Even though I'm who say guys in Banoma Baba Yomoga Gaya come. I think you've become a very important stakeholder within this whole space. Better was near Dagana Fonswasi. Near say party for say elections Yama Ninye Din Nasumje Embrem. At the end of the day, the elephant will be the utmost winner. Na because we share the history, the political history of Ghana. Political party is the relatively united one. What I say, time be a party be a Wabema Lucy, and that party is fragmented, and it's a woman, and that was no also. And the same opposition can because this if on Tokane, no baker such a dinner by Tremolo. What I say, now Yentimo Monomon Common Tokano, then at Yentimo 2028.
Marty, Doctor, thank you very much. Dr. Keskin. Or vice or communications director. Now, you could feel it from the communication. It was indeed Nyame apportno to become a communications director in the greater Ashanti region. Midin de Kwame Agyarko, executive director, producer rather, Barbara. I don't probably what Nana Kwame Usun Kantabisa Anka Kakra, Bibinti, Antimia, and Twasubium Sanso, and Kelvin so Eddie Quaho Mountain Tenor. So, yeah, sorry, na sports for us about Twasso. Na the Akamina Omo Eddie Abrewo. Now, Missy Form no. Let me share this with you. Say, let us give ourselves a befitting life rather than a befitting barrier. What do I say? Let's give ourselves a befitting life rather than a befitting barrier. And on that note, you doing the listening, live well before you leave. Good morning.